Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows Defender error. Your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is here at the bottom search bar, please type for Chrome. The moment you have typed it, please proceed to the best match and go with open to continue and wait until a new window which is the Google Chrome browser would appear here in our screen. Okay, so here you need to copy a link which I'll be including at the description box below. So please copy it. Okay, so please copy this link which is this. So Con- select A to select the whole, Control C to copy, and paste it here at the Windows search bar. Click on Enter and wait until you are being redirected to the result. It will ask you to proceed, go to site, and it will now start on download. Let me just cancel this since I have already downloaded my security health setup. But in your case, you have to wait until it will be downloaded. It will only take less than a minute to do so, especially if you are connected to a strong Wi-Fi internet connection. Once you're done, simply close this window and proceed to the file that you have downloaded earlier. And please do a right click and then scroll down and go with Run as Administrator. So if your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes so that you would be able to open this window and wait until it will be done. Once it is being done, please navigate here at the start icon, click on it, go with your power options and click on restart. Now there is a must to restart your computer in order to proceed and complete the process. Once you're done, you need to check if your problem has been fixed. So navigate here at the taskbar. You can see there a forward arrow. Click on it to show hidden icons and click the shield icon to open your Windows Defender application. Once you're here at the Windows Security, check if your problem has been fixed. Try to navigate here at the Virus and Threat Protection, go with Account Protection, Firewall and Network Protection, App and Browser Control, Device Security, device performance and health, family options, protection history, and all. Okay? Check if your problem has been fixed. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.